this is my Retin A routine. I just washed my face. I don't have anything on. So the first thing I go in with is my Retin A. This is the Tretinoin Cream in the 0.05. So I've tried the highest strength and I've also tried the lowest strength. And I feel like for me personally, like right in the middle is perfect for me. I am gonna take a pea size amount and then I'm going to dot this on my chin, cheeks, and forehead. And then I'm just gonna rub this in. I do like to kind of bring it down onto my neck. And I try to avoid my mouth area because my lips get so dry. It's just really sensitive. So I avoid my mouth area. And then I also avoid my eye area. So I'll stay down here. Do not go by your eyes. Oh my gosh. When I will go a little bit on my nose with whatever is left over. But I'm not going to go like in my nose. Retin A. Because if you go around your nose, it's gonna burn, it's gonna sting, and it's not fun. Well, from my experience anyway. And then I'm just gonna rub this all over my forehead. Again, I like to avoid all of this area right here. I shouldn't even be touching it with my fingernails. But yeah. Forehead, I'm gonna skip here because I don't wanna get close to my eyes. Pay attention to your eye area around your nose and around your mouth. You want to kind of avoid those areas. I have went in with product there and it's not pretty. It burns, it hurts. I mean, your whole face can peel and it can be uncomfortable. I've been using it for a few years now, like on and off. I recently stopped using it for a few months just because I ran out. And I finally picked some up in my skin. I've been using it for like a month now. And my skin is like, pores are disappearing. My skin is looking really, really good. I'm so happy. So next I'm gonna go wash my hands, put this away, and then get my moisturizer. But I'm not gonna apply my moisturizer right away. I'm gonna wait 15 minutes and then go in with my moisturizer. Now, when you moisturize, you wanna make sure that you're not using a moisturizer that has like a whole bunch of fragrance. I go back and forth between the Kate Somerville Delicate Recovery Cream, Stressed Skin Saver. Again, this lighting is not the best, sorry. I'll leave all the products down below. It's actually almost gone. And another one that I love is this H2O Yeah Hydrating Moisturizer. Hydrating, anti-aging. And this is actually cruelty-free, 100% vegan, and they donate to charity. And this doesn't have a heavy fragrance. I'll just go in with this one tonight since it's open. And this I take all over. My skin type is so sensitive. Like if I even touch my face, I turn red. And I just like to really work it in, kind of get my face like a massage. I got this new tool from Foreo. I am so excited to talk about this because this little thing is amazing. Okay, so I feel really good about that. Starting here and pushing up to the ear. I watched this like lymphatic face massage once and I kind of just do that. And that's it, that's all I do. I use Retin A about 3 times a week, so I don't do this every single night. Because I use Retin A, I try to like not go too crazy with other products because the Retin A is such a powerful, effective skincare product that I just try not to go too ham with the other stuff. I do get my Retin A from Indonesia, I believe it is, because you don't need a prescription over there and you need one here. And the way my schedule and time is, like I don't have time to go get a prescription. So I just order it from this like website. There's a few websites. I'll leave it down below in the description where I get mine. It's not sponsored, but if they want to sponsor me in the future, that would be great, because I am going to be using Retin A forever, like the rest of my life.